Hello friend, in this video you will learn that how to make front window design using Blender. This is Blender 2.90 Alpha. So press Shift A under Mesh, select Cube. Now switch to Edit mode, then press S, then 2. Okay. Now turn on S selection mode and select these two edge like this. Now press Ctrl B and click on this bevel and increase segment value, that is 8, and also increase offset value, that is 3. Check this custom profile, click on this preset, and you have to select here steps like this. Now press A to select this. Now press Shift D, then X to move on X axis. Now press S, then X, then -1 to flip this. Okay, and we have to also flip its normals, so press F3 and search here flip. Okay, and select this. Now press F4 under preferences, click on this add-on and search here loop tools and enable this. Now turn on as selection mode, select these two face like this, right click under loops, select bridge. Now turn on as selection mode, double click on this edge and holding shift also double click on this edge. Now press Ctrl X to dissolve this. Now press Ctrl R. Again we have to also give a loop cuts here, so press Ctrl R and this is loop cuts like this. Turn on vertex selection mode and select these two vertex, then press F to join this. Sorry, press J to join this. Again select these two vertex, then press J to join this. Turn on a selection mode, double click on this. Now press G, then Z to move on Z axis, something like this. Now press Ctrl B and uncheck this custom profile right now. Increase offset value, and we have to work on its pole. So press Ctrl R and increase loop cuts. Now turn on face selection mode, select this face like this and press I to insert like this. Also you have to enable individual origin. Now press S, then Z to scale like this, because we want to make this in square shape. Now press I again to insert like this. Now just undo this. Okay, right click and subdivide this, increase number of cuts, turn on this vertex selection mode, press Ctrl minus to decrease selection. Now press Ctrl X to dissolve this. Turn on face selection mode, select this face, right click under this loops, select circle. Now press I to insert. Now press 1 for front view. Now press E, then Z to move on Z axis, something like this. Now again press E, then enter to release this. Now press S to scale and press E to extrude. Okay, and this is a very quick tutorial. tutorial about how to make this front window design using Blender. Thanks for watching this video, and I am using first time Linux operating system. It is a very good operating system. Thanks for watching this video, and please share this video with your friend.